Hey everyone, I've got some really exciting news to share with you today. We're introducing something that's going to make a huge difference for your organizational data agility. It's called True Data Reflection, and trust me, this is a game changer. Along with that, we'll also dive into the new Conditional Fields feature and product feed in NocoDB. Let's dive right in. So, what is true data reflection? True data reflection is a breakthrough no code architectural pattern where what you see in NocoDB's UI is now exactly what you see in your Postgres database right from the start. Every NocoDB base directly translates into a Postgres database schema. Same tables, same columns, perfectly in sync. No more guesswork about which NocoDB table maps to which Postgres table because it's all right there, seamlessly aligned. Every NocoDB base isn't just derived from Postgres anymore. It is just Postgres itself. Now let all that sink in for a moment. Now, why did we build this? Well, in our previous OSS version, all the bases lived in the public schema when you self-hosted NocoDB. It worked, but it wasn't ideal. You had to rely heavily on APIs to connect with internal tools like Retool or AppSmith, or BI platforms like Metabase or Tableau, or ELT tools like Fivetran or Airbyte. And that wasn't exactly seamless. We knew there was a better way. Our cloud product already had this architecture built in from the start, so we knew it was time to bring it to the OSS version. And here's the exciting part. From this latest release, every base you create in NocoDB will have its own dedicated schema in PostgreSQL. From now on, the public schema will just handle metadata. This means cleaner, more scalable architecture for your data. It's the same system we use in our cloud product, and now we're rolling it out for everyone. Let me show you how simple this is. I've got NocoDB running on my local machine, and here's the base ID. Let's duplicate this base real quick. Now check out what happens in my database tool. I'm using Table Plus here. You will see a brand new schema that has been created just for the new base. And what's awesome is that what you see in NocoDB is exactly what's in your Postgres database. Every table, every column mirrored perfectly. You also get full transparency and direct SQL access. There is no need for extra layers or complicated integrations. It's all there, ready to connect with your BI tools, internal systems, and data pipelines effortlessly. So, what does this mean for your organization? True data reflection, which means your NocoDB tables are mirrored exactly in PostgreSQL. No middle layers, no guesswork, just complete data transparency. Unified connectivity lets you connect with tools like Metabase, Tableau, or Retool seamlessly. Whether you're using SQL or APIs, NocoDB works just like a native Postgres database. And with instant data replication, syncing data across your systems or scaling to new heights is easier than ever because it's all built on Postgres. We believe that true data reflection brings far greater data agility within your enterprises. And the best part, this feature is controlled by a simple environment variable. But don't worry, true data reflection is enabled by default for all PostgreSQL databases starting today. Next up, conditional fields in form view. Conditional fields let you show or hide parts of a form based on what someone enters in the previous fields. It makes your form more dynamic, so users only see the parts of the form that actually matter to them. Let me show you what I mean with a simple example. A job application form. Here we have a field asking which role the applicant is interested in with two options, developer and designer. Depending on the role they choose, we want the next fields to be displayed. GitHub ID for developers and portfolio link for designers. Let's see how to set that up. Here you'll notice a new option, show on condition. Let's set the condition to display the GitHub ID field when the role is developer. There you go. And next, display the portfolio link field when the role is designer. Right. So you will see this little eye icon next to the field name, indicating that it's now conditionally visible. Now let's see it in action. Click the share button and open it in a new tab. Let it load, and yes, now if I select developer role, GitHub ID field pops up, just like we planned. But if I choose designer, the portfolio link field pops up. Super simple and powerful. And finally, product feed. I'll give you 5 seconds to figure out what's changed on the dashboard. Is it somewhere here? Maybe somewhere in this side? Or somewhere at the bottom? Well, congratulations if you spotted the What's New button down here at the bottom. This is where all the latest updates about NocoDB will be posted, so you can stay informed at all times. Well, the changelog shows the GitHub releases. You can see everything's listed down. YouTube lists the latest videos that we post on our channel. And Twitter keeps you updated with our recent tweets. And you can check out our socials using these shortcuts. And actually, while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. You should definitely check out these new features, and I'd love to hear how these updates help with your projects. Let me know in the comments below, and until next time, happy building with NocoDB, and I'll see you in the next one.